celebrating together. The meaning of join us for a toast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the English language and unravel its many mysteries together. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might encounter at gatherings, celebrations, or even in movies. Join us for a toast. This phrase carries a lot of warmth and tradition, so let's break it down and understand what it truly means. Stick around to discover not just the definition, but the culture behind toasting. Join us for a toast is an invitation that is more than just words. It's about participation in a moment of celebration, acknowledgement, or solidarity. A toast involves raising a glass of drink, often alcoholic, to honor a person, celebrate an event, or wish well for the future. When someone asks you to join them for a toast, they're inviting you to be part of a collective moment of expression through a simple, yet meaningful, action. Toasting typically involves a few key components. The announcement. This is when someone indicates a toast is about to happen. It can be formal or informal, sometimes involving tapping a glass to draw attention. The speech. A short speech or statement is made. This could be a wish for someone's happiness, health, success, or a simple expression of gratitude. The clink. Often, participants clink their glasses together, though this is more of a cultural variation and not a necessity. The drink. Finally, everyone takes a sip of their drink to seal the toast. While the act of toasting is almost universal, its execution can vary widely across cultures. In some cultures, eye contact during the clink is important, symbolizing honesty and trust. In others, the content of the speech holds significant weight, often reflecting the values and hopes of the community. Understanding these nuances can enrich your participation in toasts, making you a more informed and respectful guest. Be prepared. If you might be expected to give a toast, think about what you want to say ahead of time. Listen respectfully. When someone else is speaking, give them your full attention. Join in. Even if you don't drink alcohol, you can still participate with a non-alcoholic beverage. The act of toasting is more about the gesture than the drink itself. We hope this exploration of join us for a toast has not only taught you the meaning behind the phrase but also given you a glimpse into the rich tapestry of cultural traditions surrounding it. Toasts are a beautiful way to connect with others, celebrate milestones, and express heartfelt wishes. So next time you hear this invitation, you'll know exactly what to do and what it signifies. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more language insights with you in the future. Cheers!